I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series for SAT students. We are also taking up higher algebra skills, which is part of my book Rediscover Algebra and Trigonometry. Those who are following my book will definitely get through excellent competitions. Well, in case you want to know more, send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. The question here is, if x minus y equals to x plus y over 7, which is also equal to xy over 4, find the value of x over y. How do we solve this question? Well, we are given that x minus y is equal to x plus y over 7, and that is equal to something else, right? Equals to 4. We can say let it be equal to some constant k. Now see how, by introduction of this constant, we can rewrite the whole thing as a system of equations and then solve it. That's the beauty and a creative problem solving skill which you learn from the book, right? So we get one equation which says x minus y equals to k, right? And the other equation which you get is x plus y over 7, let me rewrite as k, which means x plus y equals to 7k, right? So we have two equations here, 1 and 2. Using these two equations, we can find the value of x and y. So if I add equation and equation 2, what do I get? So adding these two eliminates y. We get 2x equals to k plus 7k, which is 8k, or x is equal to 4k, correct? If I subtract, then what do I get? Well, let me subtract 2 and then minus 1, correct? So means this minus that, correct? So in this case, we get, when you subtract, 2y equals to 7 minus 1, 6k, or y is equal to 3k, right? Dividing by 2, clear. And that gives you the answer, what should be x over y, right? So clearly x over y should be equal to what? X value is 4k, y is 3k, right? So k and k cancel, and you're left with 4 over 3. Do you see this creative approach to solve a system of equations which is derived from a very complex situation given to you? I hope you find this interesting. That is the beauty of my book. Rediscover Algebra and Geometry will walk you through the journey, which you will feel at every step, yes, this is what I wanted to know. That will help. And that kind of wow factor will come after reading this book. I recommend it for you all. Thank you and all the best.